Good morning, children. You are welcome in my class. The topic for today will be male reproductive system. Male reproductive systems are those systems which are involved in reproduction. Male and female unite to form the new offspring, and today we will study about male reproductive system. Then there are some organs which are involved in this system, means male reproductive system. There are some organs. Those organs are testis, scrotum, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and penis. These are the organs which are involved in reproduction, and they are the male reproductive organs: testis, scrotum, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and penis. Main primary reproductive organ is testis. Testes are two in number. There are two testes in male, and these testes are primary reproductive organs, and testis is situated in the abdominal cavity. There is abdomen within you. Abdomen is a region in your body, and this testis is situated in the abdominal cavity. This is the primary organ which forms the sex cells. I mean to say male gamete. Male gamete is formed in the testis. Male gamete is known as sex cells because they are involved in reproduction. So they are the male gamete. Sex cells are male gamete, and those male gametes are formed in the testis. And those sex cells are transferred from testis to scrotum, and in scrotum they are transferred from testis to scrotum. Sex hormones are also secreted from the testis. The hormone, male hormone which is secreted from the testis, are known as testosterone. Hormone which is secreted from male testis is known as testosterone. Thus, testosterone is the male reproductive hormone which is involved during reproduction. After that, the testosterone comes in the vas deferens, and from vas deferens it comes in the seminal vesicle, and from seminal vesicle it comes in the prostate gland, and from prostate gland it comes in the urethra. These sex gametes comes in the urethra, and from urethra there is the secretion of sperms, which forms those sperms which are involved in reproduction, forms the semen in the seminal vesicle, and from urethra the sperms comes in the penis. Thus, these are the reproductive organs which are involved in the reproduction, and they are related from the male reproductive system. My dear children, you will read all the organs which are involved in the reproduction, and next day we will study about female reproductive systems. You should remember, you should keep in mind at least those organs which are involved in the reproduction, and main primary reproductive organ is testis. Those organs are testis, scrotum, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and penis. You must remember these all organs which are involved in the reproduction. I will give some question on my topic which taught today, and on next day we will study female reproductive system. Thank you.